Welcome to KakiFresh Nature Farm in the province of Huelva. Today, KakiFresh Nature controls 400 hectares, of which a large proportion is a young plantation. Therefore, in the next few years, we will substantially increase production. Our staff has over 20 years' experience in growing kaki. We are experts in our field, and we know that kaki must be handled very carefully, so only people with a special feeling for the kaki work with it. This is the key to harvesting the best kaki in Spain. The fruit is transported to the packaging center in Murcia, which is one of the most modern in Spain. Here we are able to pack the kaki according to our customer wishes. Our location, close to the port of Valencia, ensures we are close to anywhere in the world, whether by sea or land. The largest transport companies in Spain are concentrated in this area. In KakiFresh Nature, we control all the fruit we produce. As such, we can correct any problems in the field very quickly, and the traceability is very exact and reliable. KakiFresh Nature and Hillfresh International have an exclusive collaboration. KakiFresh Nature is responsible for the production and the packaging, and Hillfresh International for sales and marketing on a global level. We monitor the fruit stage by stage, from its beginnings until the customer has it. And we only sell the best, the highest quality fruits. We offer a good quality, healthy product, which is produced in a very professional manner.